Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can mount your dryer onto a wall. So here we're going to mount it onto this wall. Now there are two types of mounting bracket that you could use. You can purchase one of this universal long bracket, or we can purchase this separate two bracket. Now at the back of your dryer there are holes, so you can just push this one in. So we'll push it in, and this bracket basically hook on like this. Just gonna push it in. Now you can see once you hook in, it will hang on like this. Now on your dryers, it has holes at the top as well as holes on the bottom. This allows you to turn your dryers upside down. Now if you want to use one of these bracket, you can do so as well. So this one mount onto the wall like so. Got this one hook onto that like that, and this thing here goes onto the back of your dryer like this. So you can choose to use this smaller bracket or this longer one. Now if you choose to use this bracket, it needs to go onto the wall, so you will need to drill on the walls and it needs to sit on the wall like this. Now you need to measure your wall, so from the ceiling down to the bracket right here, it needs to be at least a minimum of 25 centimeter. It can be right next to the wall as well, so you need to have a bit of gap on the side here, and between the top of the dryer and the ceiling has to be 25 centimeters. Now because the cutting on this bracket is not very well done, so I'm not going to use this bracket. You can see right here it doesn't really hold very well, and this could cause the dryer to bounce off from the bracket. So instead I'm going to choose, in this case I'm going to choose this smaller bracket. So I'm going to need to drill the holes on this bracket. When you purchase the bracket, they also come with the screws and the spacer. And this drill here will allow us to drill onto the dryer. Now on the dryer it has only one hole, so we're going to need to use the self-tapping screw to make an additional hole. Now if this doesn't have a hole, you will need to drill it in to make a hole. Okay, so I got one side on, now we do the other side. Okay, so the next two process is to screw the walls and plug in the brackets. Now as you can see, that two bracket will allow you to mount the dryer onto that. We are ready to lift this one up and hang it onto that wall bracket. Now here we got two spacer, we can mount it into here like so, and one on the other side. This also is here for the spacer. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you mount it up. So you mount it up in there. Now you need two people to help you lift up the dryer. And yeah, this is what it looks like once you mount it up on the wall. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.